Hey everybody, Facebook Live at Acclaimed Heating, Cooling and Furnace Cleaning. We are here live and on location with Paul from Contact. Hello back there, Paul. Tammy's not here today. She gets to be in Calgary. I'll bet you she's not going to come home tonight like she's supposed to. So it'll be great to see her. And thanks for joining us. Again, Paul and Kevin here. And today is a special day because the Dear Keven Letter is not to me, it's to Paul. So let's get this thing going here and turn it over to somebody here that's much more relevant here. And of course, we've got the problem of having Kevin doing the camera holding here. So Paul, how are you today?
Pretty good. I'm losing my voice, so I'll squeak through it here for you.
Right, you're so great because you're a liar because you're feeling really badly, but hopefully we're going to feel better over the weekend. So one of the things we've got here today, Paul, is we've got a Dear Paul letter, which is actually the Dear Keven segment, but because you're our featured partner of the month here as one of our great partners, this question is coming to us from somebody whose husband did a very, very bad job. I don't think he's a professional. So this is coming from his disappointed with Hubby, and the question is, how long should it be taking to do a bathroom renovation that really wasn't that hard to begin with? My husband shouldn't have taken this project on. I told him not to, and he insisted on it to save money and that he loved to do it. Now, it seems like we're fighting every day. The toilet doesn't work and I still have to go downstairs to shower. Could you tell me how long should a bathroom renovation take? Signed, somebody very disgruntled. So Paul, that's a big open-ended question, a loaded one. How do you answer that?
Well, I would say it would depend on the scope and the size of the bathroom and whether we're reconfiguring it or not, but typically we say a bathroom rental should take about a month. And that would be, in our world, the full gut of a bathroom and replacement of all the fixtures, flooring, tile, lighting, venting, whatever. Obviously, if we get into some custom tile work, that can add a bit more to the timeline, or if we're reconfiguring some of the plumbing rough-ins, that can also add more time. But if you're doing a standard reno, replacing, say, a tub with a shower or a new tub shower unit, your toilet's in the same place, your vanity's in the same place, it is new fixtures, that's a relatively quick process if you're organized and you know the workflow. So on a more simple bathroom reno, usually we can be out of there within a couple of weeks. The longest process being whether either it be custom tile or on the drywall side where you need several coats of mud and it takes time for it to dry. So a little bit of a, I guess, indirect answer because it really varies based on scope, but I would say on the short end of a reno, 2 weeks for something fairly simple, and a more extensive reno, a full gut of a bathroom, probably in that 1 month mark.
Well, that's a great answer. So I guess following up on that from other people that I've heard about and things like that over many years, what would you say is the number one home improvement thing that typically maybe the homeowner or the do-it-yourselfer should stay away from?
I would say plumbing. I mean, water gets everywhere. One leak and you can do some major damage in your home. Electrical, you can obviously burn your house down or get electrocuted. Tile setting, I would say you should leave that to the professionals unless you are prepared to live with some deficiencies within your installation. We've seen some shocking do-it-yourself jobs on tile that have required all of the tile be torn back out, new tile purchased, and payment of reinstallation, which costs a heck of a lot more money than just paying a pro from the get-go. So those would be the three things I would say, steer clear of, do it on your own, hire a professional for those things for your own safety and peace of mind, and obviously for the quality of work at the end of it all. And
not to mention saving a marriage.
Yes, potentially that too.
Or at least making that marriage happy again.
All right.
All right. Well, that's great. Great. Well, I'm going to get back into here again. There I am. And so that was great. Thanks for answering that today. Paul, Contact Renovations. I mean, I'm going to say, Paul, amazing people, fantastic people doing amazing, fantastic work. It expands a little bit more on your great slogan, but you guys really are great at what you do. You're fantastic as a bunch of people in the quality of work that you do. We're looking really forward to highlighting some more videos and question answers with you guys this month. And hopefully everybody out there stays warm this weekend. There's still the Ice Festival happening in Edmonton. Lots of ice sculptures happening below people's high efficiency furnaces as it gets colder. Those are always fun to watch. Nice ice sculptures there by your furnace. And stay warm, everybody, and we'll see you next Friday on Facebook Live.
Bye.